In the past few years, whenever we left the Philippines for more than a few weeks, we started craving Filipino food. We've been here for a little over a week now, and my girlfriend said she's been missing some Filipino food.
Today we are on a mission impossible. It is the mission to try and cook sinigang for my parents here in Austria.
The difficulty always was finding the right ingredients to get the perfect flavor.
Next challenge is the spinach, because the spinach is different. So I'm thinking like watercress is similar to what we need.
Oh my god, it's so difficult.
Love, how was your grocery experience in Austria so far?
Good. The onions are less expensive.
You're excited because you found?
Sinigang place.
This year, we already came prepared and brought a key ingredient for sinigang on the trip.
Imported all the way from the Philippines. Yes.
Together with the mix and local ingredients, we could make the perfect sinigang.
Need it every day, but
Well, today my mom attempted to cook sinigang. Today, my mom is cooking sinigang. So excited.
that looks amazing.
And I am exposed to a very difficult question.
That's what your trick was. Getting me to pick between my mom's sinigang and your sinigang.
No.
Oh, very well done, Mom.
Very good.
Very delicious.
Actually, it's very nice. Very nice. Kind
So
of.
delicious.
Okay.
So we've been in Austria for a few weeks and we're kind of missing one of our favorite dishes that we love to eat in the Philippines. But my mom doesn't like it when we intrude into her kitchen. So today, my mom is cooking sinigang.
Don't juggle, Mom.
Just trying to get away.
Mom, did you ever think you'd end up peeling onions in front of thousands of people for YouTube?
I'm probably going to start crying just now with the onions while I'm peeling onions. Never thought I'd be crying in front of so many people. I hope it should be small.
No, just quarter actually.
Really?
we said quarter. I'm like, what is she doing? Why is she mincing the onion?
Actually, I was gonna stop you so we don't get bashed for anything. Or you don't get, people don't say
Oh, I
that.
see.
Oh, the Filipinos are going to be so upset,
I'm
Mom.
sorry. Are you going to cut that out then?
No.
I'll cut it. That's good now, I think.
So, Mom, being the way that we love our sinigang is we like to have like really fried up pork bits in there. They're so delicious. Meaning that we're not allowed to go into your kitchen. I have to request you to do it.
Not true.
Okay, so we'd only need a little bit of fat, right? Because the pork fat will render. So I think the fat will render out of the pork. We don't need more fat in the pan, do we?
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good luck.
Okay.
So fast.
Am I going too slow?
No, I think the pan goes so fast.
Yeah, it does.
Let's talk about something personal for a minute. Hair loss. It's a topic that we tend to avoid, but it's a reality for many of us, including me. Now, I'll be honest, seeing my hair thinning was not easy for me. It just hit me one day. I was looking into the mirror and I knew I had to do something. I scoured the internet for all possible options, and that's when I found Keeps, an online service that's not only easy to use, but a real game changer. The best part about Keeps, it is an FDA approved treatment and a unique 2-in-1 gel. And now guys, the numbers speak for themselves. to 90% reduction in hair loss and 35% increase in hair growth. And it's not just about stopping hair loss. Keeps also offers products like hair thickening shampoo and conditioner. It's all about overall hair care. From my experience, you start noticing changes in about 6 months, which is the most exciting part. And it's not just me talking here. Almost 1 million guys have turned to Keeps, and the reviews are over 4,500 5-star ones with really inspiring before and after photos. If you are facing hair loss and looking for a solution, this is it. Check out keeps.com/makingithappen vlog or hit the link in the description. Trust me, it's worth taking the step. Hair loss stops here with Keeps.
Okay, Mum, this is the magic powder.
Okay.
This is the magic powder.
By the way, we brought that all the way from
Yes, imported all the way from the Philippines.
All the way from
Yes.
Manila.
all of it.
All of
Yes,
it? All of it?
all of it. Oh, Mum, that was too much.
Oh, you said all of it.
No, you shouldn't put in all of it.
I can't smell it.
I love how we said to my mom she just has to do a taste test, but now basically she's cooking the whole sinigang.
It's actually funny, when we're in the Philippines and we haven't been in Austria for a very long time, I always start missing the food that my mom cooks, like the potato salad that we had today, obviously the Christmas turkey and many other things. But I already kind of feel like that with sinigang as well. When I'm out of the Philippines for a long time, I feel like, yeah, we both always say like, oh, it's time for sinigang, we need a sinigang now. So I'm actually kind of excited to have a sinigang today because...
Especially with Austrian weather.
Especially with Austria, it is cold, and people, if I tell you, sinigang during cold weather is...
Actually, it really is. It's food for cold weather.
It's perfect,
really warming
right?
food.
And the sourness,
Comfort
I mean,
food,
like
yeah.
adds punch.
Yeah. By the way, guys, I don't know if you've noticed, but we are on the road to 600k. We're just missing less than 7,000 subscribers to 600,000. So if you're enjoying the video,
Subscribe.
hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything. And if you enjoyed this
Like
video,
and subscribe.
and if you enjoyed this video, send it to your relatives. Show them the sinigang recipe. Share it. Spread it like butter across the internet.
And what comes next?
The spinach comes next.
The spinach?
With the stove off.
So I think I better mix it in a bit. It's looking nice, isn't it?
Why is it not soft?
Is it
I think we
okay?
have to turn it off on the low heat. Perfect.
Looks nice.
I'm so excited. Love,
I'm also excited.
I'm so excited.
Should I think I think that will be enough for now then.
Yes, I think so too.
I'll switch it off.
Actually, could you add some more soup? A little bit more soup.
It's a
please.
bit more.
Minus 12 degrees. We're gonna need more sinigang.
No, it really is. This is really winter.
Oh,
So excited.
don't tell me that doesn't look good. That looks amazing.
Oh, I'm so excited for this.
You ever imagine that this day would come? You realize you're gonna have to decide which sinigang is better, right?
No,
You're in for a real
no.
dilemma now.
So that's what your trick was, getting me to pick between my mom's sinigang and your sinigang.
No.
Pizza. And a little bit of soup.
Thank
Here
you.
you go, my love.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
So, Mahlzeit.
Mahlzeit.
What do you say? Bon appetit. What do you say?
What do you
in-
say?
Kain tayo.
Kain
Say
tayo.
again.
Kain.
Huh?
Kain.
Kain.
Tayo.
Kain
Kain
tayo.
tayo.
Kain
Yes.
tayo.
Perfect.
tayo.
Kain tayo, everybody.
Kain tayo.
Mahlzeit.
Mahlzeit.
Kain tayo.
Mm.
Give this a try.
You haven't even
Oh.
Very good.
Mm.
Oh, very well done, Mom.
Very good.
Very delicious. Nice and sour, salty, tender pork.
I told Havlicek we're having Philippine food.
Yeah. Actually, it's very nice. Very nice. Kain
So
tayo.
delicious.
Okay.
I think we really found the right ingredients here in Austria now.
Of course, I cannot try it without a piece of pork. So pork. God, I'm salivating.
I eat it every day, but
It's something that reminds me so much of home. So the first... so hot.
it's very nice.
That first bite or first take of sinigang absolutely tastes like home. Thank you very much for making this for us.
Yes, Mom, this is very delicious.
100%
It's really-
authentic. Love it.
So I can impress my English friends now with my sinigang.
Yes.
Sinigang.
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 Oh my god, it was so nice to indulge in a beautiful big bowl of sinigang again. It's actually the next day and we already finished off the leftovers today that we cooked yesterday, and somehow with sinigang the next day it tastes even better than it did the day before. And it's incredibly interesting to me to see how subtle the differences are when you're making sinigang. Even though we brought the sinigang mix with from the Philippines and used it here in Austria, all of the ingredients that we used for the sinigang taste a little bit different. I mean, the tomatoes are the same, but they taste a little bit different. The same with the spinach, the radish, everything has subtle differences to the ingredients in the Philippines. And in the grand scheme of things, the entirety of the bowl just has a little bit of a different feel and taste and flavor to it. Probably also the water impacts the flavor, so many things. But it was absolutely delicious. It was more like this time going to a different province in the Philippines to try the dish versus being somewhere completely else and trying to cook it with completely different ingredients. I always get that feeling when I'm in the Philippines and I'm traveling and I try adobo somewhere in Mindanao versus in Luzon. There's like differences in flavors, difference in preparation, subtle differences, not drastic, but subtle. And I always enjoy to recognize those differences, and I also recognize those differences here. Also super fun to see my parents enjoy Filipino food again. I think they really did enjoy it. We're actually doing some more food videos with my parents because they enjoyed it so much, and we're going to be sharing that with you guys very soon. But it's also fun to see how they like recognize the differences in the Filipino dishes. They already know like, this is sinigang or this would be sisig, or it's so nice to see. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Again, if you're enjoying the videos here on the channel, do hit that subscribe button. It supports us a ton, and we are on the road to hit 600k hopefully before my birthday in March. So support by clicking that subscribe button. Also, check out some of the other videos that YouTube recommends to you. So if you see here on the sidebar, you'll see some more videos from Making It Happen vlog. If it's a vlog that you haven't seen yet, head over to that vlog. Leave a comment, write support squad in the comment section of that next video that you watch, so I can see who the people are that are supporting by watching as many videos as possible. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new vlog. Bye bye.